Sound refers to anything that can be heard, whether it is made by speaking, or by striking a note on a guitar, or by dropping a stone in water. Sounds also help us to communicate. They are produced when something vibrates or shakes. Let's see how. The vibrations make the air shake, and the shaking air enters our ears, which we hear as a sound. Do you know? When a bird flaps its wings, the air around it moves, which we hear as sound. We hear a bee buzzing when the bee moves its wings. As soon as the bee stops using its wings, the buzzing stops.